game in a long time. We got the bonus, 8 free spins. I'm on the nickel to knob. So wish me luck. Here we go. So gongs will give us more free spins, but we really want the babies in the bonus. Woo. We got another free game. There we go. Come on. Gong, gong, gong. Babies in the bonus. Lantern. Oh, we got another free game. It's also wild, so we get the lantern. Woo, come on, babies. Lanterns. Oh, come on. Match, match, match. Yay, we got lanterns. $7.20 for lanterns. Come on. Let's get it. Oh, we got a multiplier. Come on, do it. 2x. Here we go. That paid, what is that? $21.60. Nice. Let's get that. Babies in the bonus. Oh, we got another game. So we have 5 games remaining for a total of 11. Oh, there we go. All right. Nothing matched. Oh, something matched. We didn't get a multiplier. Come on, match. Gong, gong, gong. Oh, come on, babies. There we go. Another free spin. So we have 3 remaining of 13 total. Bonuses. Come on, big one, big one. Oh, we got fish. No multiplier. Oh, come on. Big multiplier in this bonus. But so far we went over 50 bucks. So awesome. Oh, there's a baby. Yes. Good fortune has arrived. Thank you, babies. Come on. Oh my gosh. We got ingots. What are we getting? We're getting a multiplier. Come on. 3x, 2x, 2x. All right. Everything matches. It's a big win. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, it's $30.90. Woo-hoo. That is a big win. All right. Look at our bonus. We're almost to 100 bucks. About 80 bucks here. And we've got 2 more spins. Let's do it. Thank you, babies. Come on. Oh, nothing matched. Last spin. Gong. Okay, we got a gong. All right, we got a gong. We got 1 more game. This is 15. Come on. Oh, match. Oh, we're going to get it. We're getting a multiplier? No multiplier. Oh, yeah, multiplier. 2x. All right. A little bit more something in there. We're up to 90 bucks. There we go. We just hit the $100 mark. All right, 1 more game. Come on, let's get it. Here we go. Come on. Gong. Oh, all right. Hey, that's almost $110 right there. Can't complain on a $1.90 bet. Whoop, whoop. It is a big win. I haven't played this game in so long. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you so much, Budale. $110 in the bonus. Look at that. Here we go. Look at our ticket now. I came over here with like $50. Let's do some backup spins. And 1 more. And that is 3 real Budale. I haven't played this game in so long. I'm so glad I stopped to play it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now. Hey, everybody. Slot Cats here. We are playing Dancing Drums Explosion, and we close this pot. All right, so wish me luck. Here we go. Oh, we got that mini for $12.96. Uh-oh, what happened? The machine shut off. Call attendant. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we'll be back after we call the attendant. Oh my goodness. All right, so after they fixed the machine, I got a bonus. Had to watch it giving me the mini all over again. Oh my goodness. All right, so I am gonna do 5. Let's see here. Let's get lots of re-triggers. Drum, drum, drums. Ooh, come on, matching. No dead spins. We want drums. Where's our drums? Ooh, we got a lot of coins. $12 in coins. All right, I put a 20 in, so I'm happy. Get our money back. There we go. Come on, drums. Where's our drums? Coins. Oh, more coins. Another $12 in coins. We have 2 spins left. Come on, drum, drum, drum. Drum, drum, drum. Oh, we needed a re-trigger. All right, drum, drum, drum. Trees. We got some trees. All right. Well, there you go. We doubled up our ticket. Oh, still going. All right, awesome. Oh, we got ingots too. I didn't see the ingots. Well, we tripled up our ticket. Look at that, 5, 5, 5, 5, and we had 5, 5, 5 on our ticket. Look at all those 5s. Thank you, Dancing Drums Explosion. How awesome is that? I'm gonna help it out. All right, so we had the pot closed, malfunction the machine. Now we got a drum bonus, so let's do a couple backup spins. All right, one more. Oh, we almost had another bonus. All right, let's cash out right there. $59.94. Started with $20. We're the Slot Cats. Thanks for watching, everybody. Meow for now. All right, we are playing Dancing Drums Explosion, and we got a bonus. Yes. All right, this is a regular feature. You know what? I'm gonna go 5. I'm just doing it. I almost said 10, but I'm going 5. Let's get a re-trigger. Come on, drums. Re-trigger us. Oh, boats. Come on. Got a coin show on our first spin. That's awesome. We got boats and 9s and coins. 5 across. The coins pay $48. Oh my gosh, that's bananas. I put 40 bucks in the machine, so we're definitely in profit territory. All right, come on, drum, drum, drum. Oh, food dogs, food dogs, food dogs. Oh my gosh. 4 of a kind food dogs. That pays $24. Whoop, whoop. Look at our bonus. All right, come on, re-trigger, drums. Ingots, ingots. We got 4 of a kind of the ingots. That paid $10. Ooh, come on, we need drum, drum, drum. We need a re-trigger. Come on, drums. Drums. Food dogs. Oh my gosh, food dogs and ingots again. $24 for both, so $48 on that spin. We have one more spin. Oh my word. This is so bananas. Oh, thank you, Dancing Drums. I love playing Dancing Drums Explosion, Dancing Drums, Dancing Drums Prosperity. Oh, re-trigger us. Food dogs, food dogs. We got 4 of a kind food dogs again. Oh my gosh, another $24. Look at our bonus on a $1.88 bet, y'all. Whew, that's almost 100x right there. Almost, just shy of it. So crazy. I love the symphony and the gold drum. Thank you, Dancing Drums. Look at this grand, $26,000. Holy cow. Such an amazing game. I'm gonna help it out here. There we go. All right, we're up to 190 bucks. Let's do some backup spins. Let's do it. Come on, backup spins. Be good to us. Let's get one of those gold wilds and close the pot at the same time. Come on, bonus. Let's try a 288 bet. See how it does. Ooh, there's a gold drum. Whew. Come on, bonus. Ooh, let's do a 588. Ooh, got some ingots. All right, 2 more spins. Come on, 588, bonus us. Oh, all right, one more. All right, and then the 288. And we're getting it for a 188. Let's do it, bonus. And we're gonna cash out 150 bucks on Dancing Drums Explosion. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now. Alright, we are playing Dancing Drums Explosion. We got the gold drum bonus. So it's $1.95 is 10 games. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna go 5. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. I normally pick 10. We need some re-triggers. Come on. Drum, drum, drum. Food dogs, food dogs, food dogs. Oh my gosh, we got a lot of food dogs there. $48 in the food dogs. Whoop, whoop. On our first spin, yes. All right, we need a re-trigger, please. Come on, re-trigger us. Drums. Oh, we got the drum, but we didn't get the re-trigger. Drum, drum. All right, come on, we need a re-trigger, please. Drum, drum, drum. Drums. Boats. All right, this might be our last spin. Please, re-trigger us. Re-trigger. Drum. Food dogs. Boats. Oh. Anything. Well, we got $16 in boats. So there we go, $80 bonus, can't complain. I'm just having a good day here at the Wynn. I put in $20 and my $100 free play. And I've been playing on this $120 for an hour or two. My ticket's back up to $125, so just having an awesome run here on my free play. I'm gonna help it out. Look at that, $126.26 is our ticket. Let's do some backup spins. Let's see if we can't close that pot or get another bonus. And we'll stop at about $100. But hopefully we'll get another bonus before that. There's some ingots. Come on, bonuses. Ooh, trees, 5 of a kind, that's $12. Dancing Drums Explosion. I do. All right, let's keep going. Come on, one more bonus. Let's do it. Oh, there we go. We got food dogs. Too bad we didn't have a tree in the first reel. It's a pretty active game, I have to say. Where's that gold drum? Come on, drum, drum, drum. Let's get another bonus on our live spins here. Oh, come on, drum, drum, drum. Oh, we need the third one. Come on. A few more spins here. Come on, drum, drum, drum. Let's go 288. Come on, bonus. Some coins. All right, we got about 4 more spins. We need a bonus. Need to close that pot. Oh, there's our drums. 2 more spins. Come on, bonus. Close it. All right, one more. Here we go. And we're gonna cash out $100.95. This is Dancing Drums Explosion. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now, everybody.